basic idea of our project was, there are devices out there where you can strap to your child's wrist and it'll tell you where they are, look on Google Maps kind of thing. But we wanted to make something that was more intelligent. So we wanted it to evolve over time and learn their patterns, and then it would tell you if it thought something was wrong or they were near an unsafe location.
So the handheld device would look something like this, fit in a box, would be a little smaller for the final product. But the basic idea is we leverage GPS technology as well as cell phone technology, and we receive locations on our mobile device, then we send them out through the cell network, which goes to our web server. And our web server parses that information, and our learning algorithm is running on that server, and that will determine whether the child is safe or unsafe, and then alert the parent on their Android application.
So, because we're indoors, we don't have GPS reception. So right now what we have is code that is sending a set of predetermined locations to our web server. And on the screen, we have the video output of our Android application, which is just displaying the fake, or where it thinks the tracker is, just because it's just displaying the location. There's much else to say.
So right now it's not displaying alerts because we're not in an unsafe location, but as the simulation continues, we would get closer to an unsafe location, and an alert would be displayed here, and the parent would be prompted. If it was an unknown location, they would be prompted to determine whether it's safe or unsafe, or it would just be unsafe, and they would have to know about that.
Okay. And all of your names?
I'm Josh Hodge.
I'm Ethan Cabral. And Michael Wood.
And just one final question. What did you enjoy most about doing the whole project? And you can answer that individually, as a group, whatever you want.
It's individual.
Okay.
I guess working with real hardware on a real problem was definitely, instead of doing some lab on some arbitrary circuit, that this has actual real life application was probably.
I don't know. I'd say what I enjoyed the most was setting my own goals. It wasn't like we determined the confines of the project and what we wanted to accomplish, and we kind of evaluated ourselves. Obviously, there's a graded component, but we were setting the milestones and we were meeting them without someone telling us what to do.
That's cool.
I'd say for me, it's it was a really interesting learning experience for me, just because I was the designer of the Android application. I had to do a completely new system, but basically it was based on Java, so I had to apply. But I learned a system that uses it, but it has other stuff on top of it. And working with a technical team and learning how and in changing adjusting to different as requirements change and dealing with problems that kind of creep up and how to solve those. So it's I don't know, it felt more real, a real.
Yeah, it sounds like a good experience.
Right, a real life project rather than just another assignment.
Got it.
So I really enjoyed dealing with an embedded system, which is something I haven't really done too much of, but I think the best part was kind of stepping outside my comfort zone and developing a learning algorithm, and something that I don't usually write code, and I don't usually like writing code, but it's kind of cool to step into the whole artificial intelligence realm.
So basically do something out of your comfort zone and have fun with it. Okay, great. Thank you very much.